Technology Summit is intended to help users find new and better ways to use technology to enhance their businesses.
It's nice hearing the keynote speaker at the beginning.
It's been super helpful. There's been a ton of different topics.
I go to a lot of conferences that are infrastructure or VMware or operating systems like that. This is how to run your business.
The greatest thing about these events is the networking and the connections you get.
Really good. Yeah, it's been good. A lot of the courses are really relevant to what I'm doing.
Listening to some new ideas.
The breakout sessions are great. The vendors do a great job. The JourneyTEAM is awesome.
I actually came for the Power BI information. We're just starting to use it, and those guys are experts. They're great.
Just a reinforcement of exactly kind of the way I'm thinking of.
I loved it. I always loved it. I've been coming, I think, for the last 3 years.
Hope you had a great time. You got a lot of business value out of it, and that it helped your organization. Look forward to seeing you again next year.